Here's how to cook the perfect steak. First, never cook your fillets straight from the fridge. This way your steak will cook more evenly. Pat dry and season generously before cooking. Get your pan really hot and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Carefully place the steak in the pan. Be patient. Don't be tempted to flip it too soon. Every steak is different. The thicker the steak, the more time it needs on the heat. As a rough guide, for rare, 2 to 3 minutes per side. Medium rare, 3 to 4 minutes. And for well done, 5 to 6 minutes. Once your steak is golden brown, take it off the heat. For a juicy steak, allow it to rest loosely covered with foil before serving. Enjoy the perfect steak your way.